Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to create an audit in your audit inspection system, setting up each inspection with the site, type, checklist, and auditor it needs, so it's ready to run from the moment it's scheduled. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Audit Inspection and click it to open the Audit Inspection dropdown. Now select Audits to view your existing audits and the options around them. This opens the management interface, where you can create and edit audits. Click here to begin a new audit. A form opens, ready for you to define what's being inspected and who's running it. In the audit name field, enter a clear, specific title, something like a factory safety audit. A descriptive name makes the audit easy to recognize at a glance later. Next, choose the factory this audit applies to. This ties the inspection straight to the site you registered earlier. Then select the audit type, the kind of inspection you're running. This sets the focus for everything that follows. Now, pick the checklist. Notice this field stays locked until you've chosen an audit type. Once you have, it offers the checklists that match, so your questions always fit the inspection. Choose the one this audit will run through. Then assign the auditor responsible for carrying it out. Naming who owns the audit keeps it accountable from the start. Open the date picker and choose the schedule date, when the audit is set to take place. This puts it on the calendar so nothing slips. Now, click Create to save it. Your new audit is scheduled and added to the system, ready to run. And that's a wrap on creating an audit. You've just learned how to set up an inspection with its factory type, checklist, auditor, and schedule date. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your audit inspection system.